Hello everyone! Today we are going to make Mango Mochi. First, we will take 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Sift it. Now we are adding 1/2 cup of rice flour and sifted. After that, add 1/2 cup of milk. Mix it until no lumps are left. Now add any food color that you like. Because we are making Mango Mochi, so we are adding yellow color. After mixing the color, you have to strain it into another bowl, so that no lumps are left. Make sure to mix it well before straining. As you know, we have to bake it. We have to cover it properly with cling sheet. Make little holes on cling sheet and bake it until it looks like a dough. If it got hard, you have to add water and mix it until it forms a soft dough. Now we are adding mango extract and mix it well. If it's not done with the machine, you have to do with the hand until it's soft. I have microwaved it for
5 minutes.
Like for 1 minute or 2 minutes more. Now I have a soft dough. Make sure it is soft. I'm going to make 4 partitions. And now I'm going to make the filling. Take a mango, peel it, and make small slices. As you wish you want, according to your need. Next, we are going to add cream. Take cream according to your need and beat it well until it's a little peaky. Now, take dough and roll out the dough and make sure the dough looks like that. Now, take a small bowl and place the dough on, so it will shape like round. You have to add cream accordingly and add mango slices accordingly and fold it. Same with the rest. Decorate it. And here is the result. Make sure to cool it before eating. Make sure you like our video and subscribe to our channel. For more videos, click the bell icon, so you will get notified when our video is uploaded.